Welcome to Marseille, the oldest city in France and the gateway to the Mediterranean. Right outside Terminal 2 is the airport shuttle. For €10, it takes you straight to the main city's transit hub. It's air-conditioned, comfortable, and gives you the first glimpse of Marseille's sun-soaked atmosphere. It takes about 25 minutes, and then soon I make my way inside the station to catch the local train towards the Vieux-Port. To buy a metro ticket, you head down the escalators. French signage dominates from here on, and some of the machines are limited in English, so be prepared to focus. One quick stop at the kiosk, and for €5.20, a metro ticket is all you need. The machine offers several language options and is straightforward to use. Marseille's system is small but efficient, only 2 lines, but it'll get you to the port in minutes. Inside, the seats are retro, brown, and orange tones, which somehow match Marseille's warm Mediterranean character. And just like that, I step out to the Vieux-Port, one of Europe's most historic harbors. Marseille was founded here in 600 BC by Greek sailors, making it the oldest city in France. The harbor is stunning, lined with pastel buildings, cafes, and the gentle movement of boats. Locals stroll along the water, and the warm glow of the sun begins to dip behind the city. I walk towards the port's coolest modern feature, a giant mirrored canopy. The ceiling reflects the ground below, so it looks like you're walking upside down. All along the marina are rows of sleek sailboats and small fishing vessels. The French flag waves from a floating dock as the breeze picks up. I turn into a quiet lane of Rue Robert, a classic Marseille street, rising on a gentle incline. The incline leads to a staircase, and at the top is a beautiful outlook of the port in the distance, framed by treetops and old rooftops. Small hilltop cafe, people sip wine, share snacks, and gaze towards the water. In the background stands Abbaye Saint-Victor, one of Marseille's oldest landmarks. The entire harbor glowing under the setting sun, one of my favorite views of Marseille. I arrived at the Abbaye Saint-Victor, founded as early as the 5th century. Its stone towers, fortress-like walls, and medieval carvings make it feel like stepping into another era. This abbey played a major role in early Christianity in Marseille. Just around the corner, a fruit vendor sells fresh peaches, oranges, melons, and plums, bright and colorful under the evening light. I wander down a quiet street covered in vibrant graffiti, a creative contrast to the ancient Abbey, heading back to the water now. I reach the docks just as the sky shifts to soft pinks and purples. Boats rest calmly as people unwind, watching the sunset melt into the horizon. Tonight's dinner, Marseille-style mussels cooked in white wine, garlic, and cream. Along the port, restaurants get busy quickly, but the food and view make it worth it. Here's a look at Hotel de Ville, Marseille's 17th century town hall. It faces the harbor, perfectly placed for centuries of maritime administration. Next to it stands La Samaritaine, a historic brasserie from the early 1900s. Its Art Deco touches and terrace make it a local favorite for people watching along the port. As night falls, the waterfront lights up. The buildings glow softly, and people take evening strolls, enjoying Marseille's mild Mediterranean evening. I head down the Rue Beauvau, a pedestrian street lined with restaurants, boutiques, and tree shades. It leads directly to the Opéra de Marseille, built in 1924 with massive columns and statues. Tonight, it's illuminated in purple, stunning and dramatic. That brings this Marseille adventure to an end, a perfect mix of coastal scenery, ancient history, and delicious food. We will see you next time.